Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you what is in my pencil, my backpack, sorry. But yeah, so my backpack just looks like this. Like this. It's from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, let's see what's in here. Let's see what's first in here and in here. In here, I have a tissue, and have, if I can get it, a fake penny, and a little Hello Kitty ring. That reminds me, real quickly, fun. I just get something. Let's see what's in here. I have this adorable little like lip gloss thing. Sorry, I'll show you it. Looks like this. Like a little cute owl. Got it from Claire's, like $3. It was very cheap. Like this. And it has like that. And it's pink, so this. It opens up like this and you just put your finger in there. Just put it on your lips. So yeah, very adorable. I have a calculator, sparkly pink one. Love it. Hey yo, hanging out there. But yeah, sparkly pink. Have a purple sharpener, half eraser too. Show it to you. You too. And I just have a green Crayola marker. And some crayons there. But yeah, I'll just put all of that back in there. But yeah. Now let's see what's in here. In here I have some sparkly pink scissors to match with my calculator. Have some tissues, some nice ones. And this book that is called Kiss Amy. This book is very old, but yeah. It's from the library, but I never returned it. But yeah, I forgot, I think. But it's written by this lady. Her name is, what does it really say? Oh, goes to school. Yeah. So what's that? Let's see what's on the last one, the big one. I have this Monster High sticker lab. That's Monster High. And it comes with 4 pages. And it's Monster High, so yeah. I have a binder. It looks like this. And I put the pictures of my teachers, but I won't show you that, but yeah. Because you might not put them. I have this little lady girl or whatever. Look at that. She looks like this. She's very pretty. And in the back, I have this Monster High thing I did by myself. And then in the inside, I just have some sheets, little thing here, my name, and 2 little but yeah. And a little kitty one too. I got those at Walmart. I have this. Got caught. Sorry. This Monster High pad or whatever. It's Monster High. I have this little thing to organize in pink. Got that at Target for $10. I also have this book. This is A Song for My Sister. It's my favorite book by Leslie Simpson. I have a homework page. I have a raffle turkey that I did for Thanksgiving, but that's way over already. I have this little bracelet. It's not just a bracelet. Check this out. It's also a ruler. But yeah, it has all the things, and it has a little thing that has the inches, centimeters. I have this book, my Spirit Animals, the first Clone book. Has a cool cheetah there. I have like this little Percy purse filled with bracelets. I sell them actually. I make them. So yeah. I have some homework, of course. I hate homework. And I have my report. I'm sorry, that was just something that I need to charge my tablet. But yeah. My report card and all that. But yeah. This I just throw it away. I don't really need it. I'm gonna have my ruler fish scars. Another ruler just in case. And this one's very pretty. It has like hearts and all that. I have my 2 pencil cases. I won't show you what's inside because you already know, guys. I'll just show you what's in this one because I already organized this one new for me. I have some glue sticks. This little animal thing that you guys saw. Eraser. I got this at my school book fair last week. Some pens, pencils, and a little Halloween eraser. It's very crowded. I have this thing. Sorry, I need to charge my tablet. I have this like thing that got crumbled up. I have my agenda I got it from Mexico. It says in Spanish, but and it also has a cute little face in the back. And I have a few ponytail things in here. You can see. So yeah, so that's on my pencil case. Bye. And peace.